What up guys, back with another video, and I'm back with another screen protector here guys. I know I've done a few of them and they get a little backlash, but it is what it is. I'm going to introduce you to this one that I found on Amazon. I don't know how to say this, but I will say Mkeke. So, and it, again, screen glass protector, scratch resistance, 9H hardness, 99.99% crystal ultra clear on the back. If you want to scan that or find the product, I will leave it down below, the link down below anyway. So let's go ahead and get this out of here. Let's see how many screen protector this one comes with. Open this up. Okay, very nice, very nice. Okay, that's it. So you got a little squeegee to smooth out the bubbles. Your instruction, you have your alcohol wipe, and then you have the installation case here. So it comes with, oh, looks like it comes with 3, but this one looks like it's built in. So yeah, so you got 1 here and then you got 2 additional ones. So let me go ahead and do this first. Throw that to the side. Rip that off. Dust remover. Put it off to the side again. Let's see. Let's try the wet wipes here. Got quite a few fingerprints on here, but let's just take it right off. Okay, everything looks fine. Let's try it off. Okay, so I'm gonna have to place this on top here. So as you can see, the word top. So I'm going to place that inside here. All right. Make sure everything is aligned properly. And it seems so. And looks like we're just going to pull. Boom. There we have it. Let it sit there. See, apparently, even this is not dummy proof all the way. Peel that off. All right, and then we're gonna go ahead and squeegee this as much as we can. Peel this off. There you have it. Now, like I said, hopefully eventually most of these bubbles come out, but this is the best I can do. Again, I can always retry it with this device here, 2 extra one. So yeah, that's it guys. I will post a link down below on this screen protector. Again, you get two additional one plus the one that it's already installed for you on here. Yep, instructions on how to do it. I believe they also have a video tutorial if you want to use that as well. Again, I'm not going to say the name, but it's Mkeke. And that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you like more videos to come. Peace.